Hi guys, I'm here today with a junk journal. I'm on a design team for Nevermore Creation 17 on Etsy, and she has a Facebook group as well, and I will link both of those down below. So let's go ahead and dig in. So here is a close-up of the fabric. I just love this fabric. And I have a piece of purple sari silk, and I've put the metal corners on all the way around. This is using Lindsay's Berry Delight collection. And okay, I did say that's fabric, and I have fabric in here. I put some lace, and this is paper here. And it's a little bit shiny. I don't know if you might be able to see that. So here is the first page, and it has 3 signatures. So this page here is from her kit, and I sewed around it and put some lace here in the edges. You can see the lace there better. And this is a piece of vintage fabric. There's that. Then I made a little notepad with some leftover scraps here, and then I cut this out on my Cricut. And that can go anywhere. And then I have a piece of ribbon, a sticky ribbon here. I thought that was really cute. And then this is an envelope. I put some ribbon here, and you can open it up. And here's a tag. I think that was in Lindsay's kit. There's a couple things in here that were mine, but I think that one's hers because it's got the fruit. Some coffee dyed paper. We have some this is either food coloring or Kool-Aid. I think I had to use both when I made it. There's that. And here's another. This page is from Lindsay's. This is from Lindsay's, and I sewed that on, so it's a little tag there. There's some music paper, and that is vintage. Coffee dyed paper, and this again is Kool-Aid food coloring paper. This tag's made from Lindsay's kit. This is in the kit. I cut that out. I used my brother's Scan and Cut to cut these out. There's some coffee dyed graph paper that I made. Then there's this tag and a little flip pocket, and this was sent to me from some Happy Mail, a cute little butterfly. This is from Lindsay's. And I left these right now, and I'd use it a variegated rainbow colored floss. So I thought that was cute. And I don't know if you can see the berries and everything on there and the lines, so that was really cute. And then there's the other side again, and then here's a paper tag that I cut out and sewed on. That is sewn on. So there's the paper tag, and that's the Kool-Aid paper. And this is from a bunch of those sprays that I had in when I was spraying, so I just made tags with, or the ribbons with it, because I thought they were cool. Coffee paper, music paper, and then on this one I sewed this vintage lace on there. I thought that was really cute. There's the other half of Lindsay's page. Kool-Aid, coffee. The other half of the envelope, and I do sewing and stuff too, so I had a piece of a zipper. So I used that as a little tab. I thought that was neat. And sewed that on. And there's that. And this ticket was in Lindsay's, and I think these were too. So I put those there. And here is a vintage card from, oh, I forget what it's from. This vintage card is from this set. It's a set of cards, so I put one in there and made a pocket and added a tag, and I will add ribbon to that. I forgot to do it. This is a tag I made, and this is in my store. So it's just plain on the back. And I put some more lacy ribbon here. There's the other back side of Lindsay's, and that one's Lindsay's. And I did some stitching on the edge of that one. Coffee paper, and then there's this vintage sheet that I got. I can't remember what it is. Something for accounts to list all that stuff. This is from a book I printed. I just thought that was cool. It's the Western Hemisphere. There's some blue Kool-Aid paper, coffee doily, and this is in Lindsay's kit, the berries. And then this is vintage fabric and lace, and I made 2 pockets, a little tag, and that there. And here's a postcard I made, and that too is in my store. It's just plain on the back, so you can put a picture or write on it. And this is really thick. I tried to make stuff heavy duty. There's a couple things that are thinner, like this is kind of thin, but I like them to be more solid. And this is out of some math book. Quadratic equations in one unknown. So whatever that is. Some purple food coloring, Kool-Aid. There's another envelope pocket, and this is open here, so you can put something in there, and it goes all the way through like that. So you can put that there. This is fabric ribbon, sticky ribbon. And I put lace on the pocket, and another tag from Lindsay's. And there's another one of the mason jars. And a flip pocket that I sewed around, a little ticket, some lace, and a piece of, this is from the old computer paper. So I didn't waste any of it because I thought that's pretty cool. And here's the inside, middle page, and this is from Lindsay's. I just think this is so cute. I love these flowers and berries, so pretty. Another pocket from the envelope, and another postcard I made. And I did the edges like that because I thought it was cute, rather than just plain. And here's a little glassine bag glued on. There's one of Lindsay's tickets in here, and I left it open here also, so you can put something there, you can put something here, and then behind it, another mason jar, or ball jar. And then we're back to the other half of the pages. This pretty blue and berries. And there's the other half of that, and that. And this was in Lindsay's, and I turned it into a little pocket. So I cut a little tab here, I flipped open, and I sewed all the way around it. So that tucks in there, and this is a little other tag I made. So there's lots of writing, drawing area, places for pictures, whatever you like to use it for. And I did some stitching on here. And the third signature, which again has some lace sewn on. And there's the design. And I have this little metal clip with a recipe card that you write on yourself. I thought that was cute. There's some more food dyed Kool-Aid paper, coffee paper. And this was in Lindsay's, and I cut it out and turned it into a pocket. I did sew it on here. Yeah, I sewed it on there. And then I made this tag. This is just made with a napkin. And then I have that. So I made a pocket on the tag there. So I think Lindsay sells these in her shop. And we have another pocket envelope with another tag from the kit. Thought that was really cute. And this is a little tiny envelope. And I have this inside. It's just a little pull out with this little tickets on it. And that's just held on with a clip. And this is another one in Lindsay's kit. And this is a calendar that I just folded in half, sewed, and put this vintage ribbon or whatever that is. It's really cute. A doily, Kool-Aid paper, another little flip that is sewn around, and I have some we got a rose decoupaged on here with a piece of dictionary. And this is from Lindsay. It's not in the kit, but she has this in another set on her Etsy. I just thought that was cute. And again, I used another piece of a zipper for a pull. This is in the kit. It says sweet. And the little thing just says notes. Music paper. Then I sewed down here. And this pretty purple page. And it's sewn here as well. Music paper. This is a jewelry layaway little booklet paper thingy. There's that. And then the other half of the calendar, which has the same thing here. This is another page in the kit with another fabric flip. Ledger paper, another pocket. This one is empty, but I have more lace there. The Kool-Aid paper, coffee paper, Kool-Aid paper. And this is another piece of the Lindsay's. I glued it down. Inside has this, and there's a pocket here. And the back is sewn with ribbon. And this is plain. So that is my journal for September. I'm a little behind, but it's finally done. And like I said, I just couldn't find the right fabric for it. And then I found this in my stash and I loved it, so I used it because I just thought it was awesome. This will be in my Etsy shop. So if you'd like a different kind of closure, I can put a different kind of closure on for you. I have these, forget what they're called, they're the Tim Holtz things that go like that. So I can add that. There's little things that have the hole and put the string through that. So whichever you prefer. So that is my journal for September. And I kept it undecorated from the front because I just thought this was so pretty in itself. But, you know, you can decorate it and put anything you like on the front yourself. And there's the side. And I did leave all the little threads that you can cut those off if you don't like them. I just really love this fabric. And this is how I used chipboard. I covered it with it has Tyvek on the spine area, on the seams. It has another piece of fabric, muslin, and this. So there's lots of it's really thick. What I'm trying to say. It's very sturdy. Let's see. Very sturdy book. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. And I'll put a link to my Etsy shop where this will be. So thanks for watching.